So this is my lesson plan on phonics, and my students will be looking at different words that end in Y to determine if it has a long I ending or a long E ending. Some prior student knowledge would be students in the first grade are required to learn so much with reading comprehension and spelling concepts. So students in our classes' knowledge is a lot wider than in other grades. Most students in the class understand the alphabetic principle and can write correctly. Students have the skills of crafting writing, and some spell with proper grammar. Students have phonemic awareness to use context clues to sound out letters and figure out words. Students are working towards mastery level skills of phonemic awareness, composing sentences, and reading comprehension. Students have used and are comfortable with alkanine boxes. Students began with onset and rhyme, then as they progressed and showed mastery level onset and rhyme skills through assessment, then they move to identify every separate syllable and sound. Students have also frequently been assessed through phonemic awareness and reading comprehension. Some are at higher levels than others. Students could mistake a letter for a different sound or ending. Students may combine syllables or sounds with a given concept. My unit goal for this lesson would be by the end of the unit, students will be able to use phonics to sound out words. A summative assessment would be students take pictures of different vocabulary items and spell the words using spelling concepts and phonics. Students show understanding if they use phonics, spelling concepts, comprehension, grammar, and writing correctly. A curriculum standard would be know and apply grade level phonics and word analysis skills in decoding words. My lesson objective would be the student will interpret different words that end in Y and determine if it's a long E or long I sound. My formative assessment would be matching games using alkanine boxes with words that end with Y, and students identify as either having a long E or long I ending. My goal would be that the students answer all 6 questions correctly and are at an advanced rate. A satisfactory rate would be 4 of the 6 correct. An unsatisfactory rate would be 3 or less.